Bonjour everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are making a classic French dessert that is as delightful as it sounds, floating island or île flottante. This elegant dessert features fluffy meringue islands floating on a sea of creamy custard. Let's get started. First, let's go over the ingredients you'll need. For the meringue, 4 egg whites, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 1/4 teaspoon cream of tartar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. For the crème anglaise, custard, 4 egg yolks, 1/3 cup granulated sugar, 2 cups whole milk, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. For the caramel, 1/2 cup granulated sugar and 1/4 cup water. Let's start with the meringue. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. In a clean bowl, beat the egg whites with an electric mixer until foamy. Add the cream of tartar and continue beating until soft peaks form. Gradually add the sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time, while continuing to beat the egg whites until stiff, glossy peaks form. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Add the vanilla extract and beat for another 30 seconds to incorporate. Using a large spoon, scoop mounds of meringue onto the prepared baking sheet, shaping them into small islands. Bake in the preheated oven for 15 minutes or until the meringues are firm and lightly golden. Let them cool completely. While the meringues are baking, let's make the crème anglaise or custard. In a medium bowl, whisk the egg yolks and sugar together until pale and creamy. In a saucepan, heat the milk over medium heat until it just starts to simmer. Do not let it boil. Slowly pour the hot milk into the egg yolk mixture, whisking constantly to prevent the eggs from curdling. Pour the mixture back into the saucepan and cook over low heat, stirring constantly with a wooden spoon until the custard thickens enough to coat the back of the spoon. This should take about 10 minutes. Remove from heat and stir in the vanilla extract. Strain the custard through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl to remove any lumps. Let it cool to room temperature, then refrigerate until chilled. Next, let's make a simple caramel sauce for drizzling. In a small saucepan, combine the sugar and water. Cook over medium heat, swirling the pan occasionally. Remember, do not stir, until the sugar dissolves and the mixture turns a deep amber color. This should take about 8 to 10 minutes. Immediately remove from heat and let it cool slightly. Now, it's time to assemble our floating island. Pour the chilled crème anglaise into individual serving bowls or a large shallow dish. Gently place the cooled meringue islands on top of the custard. Drizzle the caramel sauce over the meringue islands for a beautiful finishing touch. And there you have it, a stunning and delicious floating island dessert. Perfect for impressing your guests or treating yourself to a taste of French elegance. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment with your favorite French dessert, and subscribe to my channel for more delightful recipes. Merci, and see you next time.